Hello, friends, and welcome to today's lesson on levitation. Oh my goodness, look at that! How is she doing that? The ping pong ball is floating all by itself with no help at all. Oh, wait a second, what is that thing? Hey, you, yeah, you. Oh, it's a hair dryer. That's not magic, it's science. This experiment, you are going to need a hairdryer. Make sure it works first. Oop, but don't lose your hat. And then the next thing you'll need is, of course, a ping pong ball. Turn on the hairdryer and set the ping pong ball on top of it. Preferably, you'll want to use the cool setting, or else it might get a little bit too hot. You might be wondering why the ball is traveling with the air of the hairdryer. Well, that's because the air pressure is keeping the ball in place. Another variation of this experiment, you can use a toilet paper roll tube. You'll put it in between the ping pong ball and the hairdryer. This concentrates the air and it makes the ping pong ball fly even higher. How high can you get your ping pong ball to levitate?